My research shapes the future of energy because it enables industrial companies to use energy in a flexible and efficient way and be part of the energy transition. Hi, I'm Isabella Bianchini. I come from Italy and I'm a group leader at Fraunhofer IPA, Institute for Manufacturing Engineering and Automation in Stuttgart. My main research question is focused on developing solutions for industrial companies using direct current and energy flexibility on one side to reduce their emissions and on the other side keeping their production reliable and cost-effective. Direct current offers lower transmission and conversion losses compared to alternate current and can integrate more energy efficiently renewable energy sources. Solar panels, for example, already generate direct current. On the other hand, energy flexibility is fundamental for the energy transition. With more renewables in the grid, the generation becomes more volatile. And it's important to find solutions on the consumer side to adapt the demand to the energy generation to have a stable energy system. I chose Fraunhofer IPA because the institute offers the perfect balance between research and real-world application. Here it is possible to develop an idea and to see it applied in a real industrial setup. What I like most of living in Germany is the fact that Germany is really in the middle of Europe, and especially the south of Germany is a great starting point for traveling around Germany itself or around Europe.